efforts don't equally weigh the business factors and the human factors of change equally. We're going to go through an exercise in mindset and common language that brings these two worlds together. That thing can be an opportunity that you want to capture, okay? Or it can be a problem that you need to solve. It doesn't matter. It can be a happy thing. It can be a troubling thing. Has everybody got their partner? Okay, so we're not at change management yet. Okay, this is making a very clear distinction between the importance of the stages that come before execution. How many use goal interchangeably between strategic and tactical? You say yes? Okay. If you were to succeed at solving that problem or capturing that opportunity, tell your partner what that net business benefit is. Go. I love it that everybody's based on my experience, behavior is the most important thing. Woo! Okay? Did you? I do not believe in micromanagement. You should give teams clear direction, but then let them go. Give them the guardrails, but then let them know. I hope that just through these exercises, you can see how the mindset, what happens before you even get to executing change management. Just because somebody above you is saying no, right? Do you have the intestinal fortitude to say yes, and here's why? That's a huge factor in this space. Okay, great. Thank you so much for having me. It's been great.